Hi party people. We're deworming the chickens this morning because we think Hennifer has Gapeworm because she's been going like with her mouth and she's sneezing, shaking her head. So we're gonna just deworm. This also gets like roundworms and the other worms that chickens get. And this is the only chicken dewormer on the market. It's also FDA approved and there's no egg withdrawal or meat withdrawal. So pretty good. And I'll put the dosing instructions in the video, like a little screenshot of it, because I have this little PDF of it. But you do the weight of all your chickens, and then it tells you how much water, and then you put it in there, and you do it for 5 days. And then they should drink all that water, and then after they drink all that water, you could just give them fresh. And then the next morning, give it to them again. But you want to do it in the morning so it's like the first thing that they drink. And then they're thirsty and they go right at it. So for ours, we're doing 0.15 milliliters, I believe. I have to check because now I forget and it's on my phone. Okay, it's 0.15. Because I did the weight of all 11 of our chickens and it was 58 pounds, I believe. So there's like a range from 55 to 68 and it's 0.15 milliliters, which they give this little syringe, and then 8 cups of water. Let's see here. It's a very small amount, but this medication is like super concentrated. So I already measured the 8 cups of water. So we'll pop that in there. Just making sure I'm getting all of the medicine out of the syringe. Give it a good mix. And then just pop it in here. And then we're gonna go give it to the chickens. See how they do. This is the bottom of that water. I always just leave it outside so it's less messy. So wow, they're definitely gonna drink this quick. And then I'll give them fresh water once they're done with this. All right, so there's that. And we took out their other source of water. So this is the only thing that they have to drink. So we know that they will be drinking it. How they do? Come on, Miss Hennifer. Good girl, yes. She's really the sick one. At least the only one showing it. Yay, I hope it works.